Ever wondered how deep learning works? Or maybe you've been scratching your head trying to figure out what convolutional neural networks are? Well, today we dive into the world of deep learning, unmasking its complexities and making it easily understandable. We are exploring the book Inside Deep Learning, Math, Algorithms, Models Annotated Edition by Edward Raff. This book is a brilliant guide that simplifies the implementation of deep learning using the PyTorch framework. It's like having a knowledgeable friend who's always ready to explain complex concepts in plain, simple language. So, what's inside this book? It covers foundational methods, such as fully connected networks, convolutional neural networks, and recurrent neural networks. But it doesn't stop there. It also ventures into advanced topics like autoencoding, object detection, and attention mechanisms. It's practically a buffet of deep learning knowledge. Now, you might be wondering, isn't this all too complex? Well, that's the beauty of this book. It is designed for Python programmers with basic machine learning skills. It offers explanations in plain language, annotated code, and practical examples to demystify complex concepts. It's like having a roadmap to guide you through the labyrinth of deep learning. But that's not all. The book also includes insights on selecting the right components, training and evaluating models, fine-tuning performance, and understanding deep learning terminology. It's like having a personal tutor guiding you every step of the way. To summarize, Inside Deep Learning, Math, Algorithms, Models Annotated Edition is a comprehensive guide to implementing deep learning with the PyTorch framework. It covers both foundational and advanced methods, explains complex concepts in simple language, and provides practical examples and insights to help you master deep learning. So, if you're a Python programmer looking to delve deeper into the world of machine learning, this book could be your perfect companion. It's like having a torchlight that illuminates the path, making your journey into the world of deep learning smoother and more enjoyable. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So why not take that step today and unravel the mysteries of deep learning? You never know, you might just become the next big thing in the world of AI and machine learning. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, subscribe and comment down below. This encourages us to create more content like this. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring.